Take this! Ha! Hmm? Hmm? Ha! Yeah! Yeah! How's that? Hmm? Ah! 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 Mm! Ah! Ah! What? Darkness Finger! Master Cloak! Damn you! Take that! Ah! Sekiha Tenkyoken! Darkness Finger! Master Cloak! Damn you! You little punk! What about this? Take that! My victory was determined before this fight even began. You don't even know your own limits. Know your place! A novice! A novice! A novice times 10 million! Foolish pupil! This is why you'll always be an idiot! He's good! Who are you? I'm Master Asia! It's inconceivable that I was defeated! Pretty impressive. You've brought me to my knees. Indeed, you are no ordinary warrior. You have grown strong, my pupil. Where are you looking? I'm right over here. Be silent, you scoundrel! Ah! These minions are fussing over nothing! Secret technique! Special attack! Now, come at me! The more the better! You shall struggle! Explode! Yes! So, you are the one who defeated my foolish pupil. But don't assume you'll be able to prevail against me! Enough talk! Come at me! Indeed, you are strong. Who are you? You have no idea who you're dealing with.